ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Swami always used to mention that soul's language as feeling. So, what we can understand is souls are communicated, and to get their the basic feelings satisfied through the soul's language. So, for a small example, I can tell you in this connection. A friend of mine was having two daughters to be married. So he used to complain to me always. So I got two daughters, but I don't have enough money to get them married and all. And I told him, my friend, why you are worried so much? I have got two sons. So, but the only difference between us is that you are belonging to a different caste. If you don't have any objection, then I also don't have any objection. Then he was hesitating to think over this point. Himself and his wife were objecting how this can be done because our community people may object for this marriage. That time we were traveling towards a famous Shiva temple which was in Kodamudi, Erode. It's a very famous temple where you find Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma. All three deities together is giving their praises to people over there. And that was a Parihara Sthala also for all the people. The Kaveri river is flowing over there, from where people are doing all the religious rituals and all there. That was a very familiar place for all the Hindus. So we were just traveling to the temple. Then I told him, when I am telling you, so you are not getting that point in my helping point to you to understand that I am only trying to help you out. Okay, you make sure that the deities over here will make you understand. That's what my Baba told me. The deities over here will make him understand that there is no caste and creed, and he can get her daughter married to my son. Then when I told this point to him, he was surprising where the deities over here are going to make me understand that that this marriage could happen. So he didn't believe that. Anyway, we started having darshan and all coming. Then I also was thinking over this point. How Swami asked me and told me that this is going to happen. He is going to, fulfill his satisfaction, the feeling of him, how this could happen. Like that, I was thinking, I was having darshan of Shiva, Mataji, Brahma, Vishnu, everything was over, but we were not getting any answer from any deities over there. Then people were just, they started smiling that what Swami was telling and nothing has happened like that. So we were come to the spot where we used to collect the chappals, our footwears. So there, the two peoples were talking to each other regarding their marriage point of views. This that one man is referring to other person that why you are hesitant to give your daughter. The boy is a very good boy, and you can give the daughter without any hesitation. This is the God's wish. You have to do like that. They are talking each other for somebody else's marriage, which happens to be the Asarir to make all these people understand that what Swami wants to tell them to satisfy their feeling through other souls. This is the proof of existence of Swami will communicate through other souls also, and he will satisfy their feelings or emotions or whatever.